Welcome to Key Tech. Please describe this channel if you are interested in today's video. Luxshare Precision is a Chinese mobile phone assembly manufacturer headquartered in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. According to reports from multiple Indian media, Luxshare Precision decided to revise its previous investment plan in India and abandon building a factory in the country. This was considered by the Indian media to be a loss for India. Luxshare Precision established an office in India in 2019 and planned to acquire a defunct digital product manufacturer to produce Apple mobile phone components. However, foreign direct investment approval for the project has been delayed. Luxshare executives have been repeatedly denied entry to India due to visa issues. It is understood that the Indian government has initially approved a number of Apple suppliers to invest in India and requires these companies to be joint ventures. However, these preliminary approvals have not provided real help to Chinese companies settling in India. Despite Luxshare Precision's difficulties in India, the company has not given up on continuing to expand its business. Recently, Luxshare Precision announced that it will invest an additional $330 million in Vietnam to build new production facilities. This decision not only brings new business opportunities, but also fully reflects the company's exploration and development of the international market. BYD's business difficulties in India. Apart from Luxshare Precision, another Chinese company BYD also met a similar fate in India. BYD's attempts to build an iPad assembly line in India and participate in India's incentives for smartphone production failed. Due to changes in relations between the two countries, BYD was unable to expand its business in India and eventually shifted its investment to Vietnam. The difficulties encountered by these Chinese companies in India reflect the current situation of India setting up obstacles to foreign investors. Especially for Chinese companies, the suppressive measures taken by India have affected their investment confidence. This also shows that some international investors still lack sufficient understanding of the Indian market. Impact of Luxshare Precision's withdrawal on Indian and other companies. Luxshare Precision's decision to withdraw from the Indian market not only affects the company itself, but also has a certain impact on other companies in the Apple industry manufacturing chain and other manufacturers in the Apple mobile phone supply chain in India. As a supplier to Apple, Luxshare Precision's decision is expected to attract the attention of other companies and may force other manufacturers in the supply chain to make corresponding adjustments. In addition, the withdrawal of Luxshare Precision has also sounded the alarm to international investors, making them further aware that there are certain operational risks and investment difficulties in the Indian market. This may have a certain impact on future international capital inflows into the Indian market, making investors more cautious in their assessment and decision-making. China's thoughts and prospects on the Indian market. Looking back at the reasons behind Luxshare Precision's investment plan to withdraw from India, in addition to policy obstacles and changes in bilateral relations, we also need to pay attention to the competitive environment and investment environment of the Indian market itself. As one of the largest markets in the world, India has huge potential and opportunities, attracting the attention of many international investors. However, To truly develop and capitalize on these opportunities, a more stable, transparent, and competitive investment environment is needed. The Indian government should strengthen reforms, simplify investment approval procedures, lower market access thresholds, improve the attractiveness of the business environment, and create more opportunities and advantages for international investors. In addition, strengthening communication and cooperation with international partners and building more stable and sustainable bilateral relations is also the key to attracting foreign investment. For international investors, it is necessary to take a long-term view of the Indian market and fully understand its investment environment, policies, regulations, and market dynamics. At the same time, we will make full use of the huge potential and opportunities in the Indian market through close cooperation with local partners. In short, Luxshare Precision's decision to withdraw from its investment plan in India is a loss for India and a wake-up call for other companies and investors. As an important global investment destination, India should further improve the investment environment and attract more international capital inflows. International investors should also make wise decisions based on the actual market conditions and investment environment, and jointly achieve a win-win situation through cooperation with local partners. As the world's second most populous country, India has huge market potential. In recent years, the Indian government has vigorously promoted technological innovation and digital development, actively attracted foreign investment, and provided broad space and opportunities for the development of the technology industry. Foxconn's investment plan will not only bring new development opportunities to the Indian market, but also provide more employment opportunities for local residents. Surprisingly, as one of the world's largest electronics manufacturing service providers, Foxconn has an extensive business presence around the world. This investment in India reflects Foxconn's emphasis and confidence in this market. At the same time, Foxconn will also use its investment in India to further consolidate its position in the global technology industry and improve its market competitiveness. As a technology giant, Foxconn's investment plans in India have attracted much attention. In the future, as more details are revealed, China will have a deeper understanding of the far-reaching impact of this investment on Foxconn and the Indian market. Before that, let China look forward to Foxconn's performance in the Indian market and how it will change the development pattern of the local technology industry.